Ladies and gentlemen, I want to introduce you to the Backyard Astronomer's Guide, co-authored by Terence, Dickinson, and Dyer. This is one of the greatest books I ever read. I started my first copy in 1993. This is the third and revised copy. They have an addendum online that you can read about the cameras and equipment and things of that sort. It covers everything you need to know about the night sky, all the way from the galaxy telescopes, binoculars, observer's guides, everything you want to know. It covers astrophotography and many other things. I mean, it just goes on and on. It talks about lunar eclipses and solar eclipses and auroras and, dark nebula and Saturn. I mean, it goes on and on. This is a wonderful, essential guide. Look at this beautiful section they have here on astrophotography. Now, I've been reading this book off and on for the better part of 20-odd something years here. So lots of neat things. They even have illustrations here on the star test. Take a look at that. You can see all the distortions like astigmatism, overcorrection, undercorrection, all these other weird aberrations that you probably never even heard of and you probably won't even learn about. It's probably better that you don't even know about that stuff, because sometimes, we know these things, we get a little bit too psychological about telescopes and we don't enjoy the night sky anymore. And before you know it, we're just talking about the equipment. And in the Backyard Astronomer's Guide, they recommend that you buy a basic telescope that moves up, down, left, and right, like a Dobsonian, for example, and you utilize and add digital setting circle to that. You have encoders that you put on the altitude and azimuth and all that, and then you can use your own digital setting circle, like a Sky Commander or Astro Devices or NGC Max from JMI, or I don't know. There's sky's the limit. Anyway, what was I talking about? I was just basically trying to explain that you can have all these sophisticated telescopes and it's a great thing, but don't get so caught up in it. Okay? Don't get so caught up in it that you can't enjoy the skies anymore. I mean, half the time when I'm at a star party, I'm just listening to people arguing about trying to get their telescopes to work. It's a very frustrating thing, and sometimes I just want to walk up and say, look, man, just turn all the computers off. Let's just sit over here in these two chairs here and just have a look at the night sky and discuss the stars and the cosmos and contemplate how we got here. Something like that. Anyway, listen, if you have any questions or you're interested in purchasing this book, Backyard Astronomer's Guide, visit our website at telescopes.net, or you can call us toll-free at 888-427-8766 and ask for Dr. D. That's me.